Hello, friends. This is Arthur Woods here again, and this is Communication 16010. As you can imagine, we were all very ecstatic about the successful rendezvous of our supply vehicle with the Greater.Earth space station. Now, this everything went very smoothly, and the mission was indeed a big success. And actually, here the parties hardly stopped, but everybody is back at work, and behind me you see the positioning of the next launcher into the launch tower or the gantry. Now, this is very interesting perspective to see the huge rocket move so slowly into the launch tower, and that indicates that very soon we will have another launch taking place, and probably we will send a new kind of satellite into Earth orbit, which will further our mission there. And I think we can call this an artificial satellite. However, we have received additional video from the crew on the Greater-Earth space station. Now, they have sent us a video from the perspective of the docking vehicle. Now, there is a video camera in the nose of that vehicle as it's centered in on the space station, and this is very typical for rendezvous in space. And we had controllers who were managing that, and you see they were very concentrated and acted very professionally in order to achieve a successful docking. And as I said, I've been training to do such a docking because indeed, I am the backup pilot on the space plane that I will be taking when I go to the Greater Earth Space Station, and so we will have a very similar kind of docking. And it's been an extensive experience here, weeks and weeks of training to get everything just right, because you have all of these different motions in space, and to get everything lined up and in perfect order in order to make a precise docking is definitely not an easy thing to do. So let's have a look at this interesting docking video that was just sent to us, and you'll see just how, even though in our original video it looked things went very smoothly, but you'll see that there was quite a bit of movement towards the end of the docking, that they did indeed finally synchronize the pass of the supply vehicle with the docking port on the Greater Earth Space Station. So let's have a look at that, and I'll be back shortly.
Yes, one and two is done. So now we're getting ready for thruster select. Uh, 005230, we have selection of the thrusters. Copy. Thrusters have been selected. Visually, we see that range is about 20 meters. Copy. In 30 seconds, we expect that the thrusters will burn. So we confirm 21 degrees along the GSO. Copy.
Через 40 секунд ожидаю включения двигателя для отработки второго импульса.
Hello again. Well, that was very interesting. I think you'll agree. And also, I think it's interesting just to see how complicated it is to do a docking in space. Now, we have a very good crew on the Greater.Earth space station, and you see that they were very concentrated, and they did indeed do a great job in order to achieve a successful docking. So everybody here is very relieved, but we also know that this is the way things should happen when you want to have success in a space mission, which is a very complicated activity. Well, behind me, I see that the launcher has achieved its position inside the launch tower on the launch pad, and that means that activities will soon start to prepare it for the next launch from our space center. Now, we will be carrying a payload. I will tell you more about that payload in upcoming communications, and of course, we will have a video of the launch of that event into space, similar to the one we just had. Well, for those of you who are new to this program, I suggest that you sign up for our newsletter or our Twitter feed so that you're always up to date with the latest developments in the Greater.Earth space program. I will put links at the bottom of the show notes here for you to do that, or you can just go to our website, Greater.Earth, and find the links there and sign up, and I think that's a really good idea. For those of you who missed the launch of the supply vehicle to the Greater.Earth space station, which was in our last communication, you can look at that. But I'm going to add that footage to the end of this communication so that you can see it again. And I mean, I watch it over and over because I think it's so really beautiful, especially the sequence where the two spacecraft come closer and closer together. It seems to me it's almost like a ballet in space, so that's very beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you'll stay with us here in our program and on my mission to Greater.Earth. That's very important that you come along with me because I really want to share some things once I get to the Greater.Earth space station. So this has been Communication 16010. Arthur Woods, thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We have main engine ignition. 2, 1, and liftoff.